Mr. Lee, welcome to the meme asylum.
Can't believe I'm finally here.
So many ideas, so many likes.
Too many memes, not enough ECT. Let's get you balanced again.
Yeah! Where's that ECT?
Freedom at last.
Stop right there, sunshine.
You gotta catch me first.
I fully intend to.
Freedom never looked this good.
Going somewhere, patient.
Wait, no, I wasn't leaving.
Take him back inside.
Hey, you can't just lock me in here. Wait, I can tell you how to hit the 32 times multiplier.
The meme asylum experiment.
All right, everybody, welcome back to Meme Asylum. We have awesome things going on now, so get your voting ready. And if you stick with me, I'll show you an awesome bonus you can get at the end of the video. Yeah, gotta stick with me until the end. So, before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. So, first up, we got the one and only Meme Asylum. Yes, you know it, you love it, and the voting is going on. So be sure to get your Web3 wallet rocking and vote on what you want. How do you do that? Well, you have to have a Web3 wallet. So if you don't have one of these installed, which I have too many installed, but that's fine, go ahead and install one of these bad boys, and you can go ahead and vote. So we are in the voting stage, and we had two amazing votes. You can get Deeprar and Goy. Now we have some awesome ones here, so you'll just connect and then go ahead and put the amount you want to vote. And you can get back to therapy anytime you need. Just don't go insane. So we have inmates, we have Putin, we have Greenland. You're going to vote on Vance. Modi, what do you want to vote on? Get right here, and the one who's winning is Baron Hakorn Trump. So, guys, you can simply vote and put your information in. Now, if you want to get involved in the community, I highly suggest jump in the Telegram and the Discord, because, guys, Meme Asylum is bringing out the best in meme coins, as we can see here. Like I said, guys, community is everything. Well, I always say, if you don't have a good community, you won't have an amazing project. And here we have an amazing community right here. So I highly recommend, don't just vote, but jump in the Telegram. You're going to find all the best people here, all the awesome stuff going on. So not only the Telegram, but the Discord, it's going to have a lot of good information, a lot of cool people to talk to, and you can get involved, give your 2 cents, and share your favorite memes and your favorite emoticons. Now, I promised an awesome bonus, and we are delivering if you use the link down below. This is the KIFS crypto link right here. You can get these amazing bonuses. So you want to make sure to click on that Bitunix register link so you can get it. You can join now right here, and you get 20% bonus. So what does this bonus look like? We can see it right here, 100 USDT. You can see the futures bonus that you get, so you do have to be rocking. So, for example, if you put 2,000 USDT in, you receive only a maximum of 400 USDT futures bonus. So, for all my guys who love futures, who love spots, who are getting their trading game going, you can see right here, if you put in 100 USDT, what you will get back. We also have the chart here. So what exactly do you have to do? You have to register using the referral link. So that's the biggest thing. If you do not use the link, you will not be able to do this. Also, the nice thing is right here that this is very, very simple. So there's no KYC. Don't have to do any of that. You just have to use the correct link, which is right here. So how to participate? Make sure to click on this link and go ahead and sign up. So what will it look like when you do that? Well, you'll go ahead and get this awesome profile right here. You get all the information, plus you'll be able to share this with your friends. What do I mean by that? So if you come to the referral hub right here, you can let all your friends know, because if you are having an amazing time on Bitunix and with the bonuses, why not let other people know? So you can grab your referral code here or your default referral link. Go ahead and share that on Telegram, Discord, your email list, your social media, or you can simply click invite now. So what do you get? You can invite friends to Bitunix. Friends accept it, then you start earning, and you can see the referral, how many people you've invited here, and how many links, plus your commissions and your rebate and all the information. Now, if you're not familiar, what am I talking about with Bitunix? This is an awesome exchange. Not only do they have prizes like this, But you can win up to big prizes right here. As we can see, they have all your standard cryptocurrencies and some big names who are behind it. Trade, Travel Chill, Noah, Crash Trading, you can see all this. Plus, all your favorite tokens are right here. So crypto right here makes it super simple. Now, why would you use this? Because there's a lot of exchanges. It's secure. Not only that, they have a robust reserve fund, so you know they're safe. They're seamless, so you enjoy the benefits of online trading, insights, and service. And you just go ahead, set up that account, put your funds in, and you're good to go. That's how you can access it. Cointelegraph's behind it, Hacker Noon, and Crypto, just to name a few. And when I was talking about futures, you can come here and get your trading game going. So we can see all the futures here. You can become an awesome future trader, copy trading. They even have spot trading if you're into that, and other ways to earn, which you can actually see here. So if you want an exchange that has everything here for you, plus you can go ahead and grab your standard coins. Well, there's even earning here, so you can see all the different ways to earn. The go ahead and just grow steadily with them as well. But you might say, hey, I don't know anything about trading. It sounds great, or I'm not sure about this whole crypto thing. How could I ever figure this out? Good question. So we have the Academy right here. It helps give you all the information that you need. So you can read over everything, figure it out. If you don't know what futures spots are exactly, if you don't know what candles mean, or trading, or Ethereum, or what exactly is Bitcoin. What is this guy even saying on this video? It sounds like a bunch of, weird futuristic tech lingo. I get it. Come to the Academy. Hopefully it'll start to make more sense. If you're wondering about who exactly they have started in 2021. Yes. It's hard to believe, 5 years now, right? And they ranked among the top 515 exchanges. So they're not just someone who's popped up. CMC, CG, all that on the top 10 for CoinGlass, as well as over 3 million globally, 5 billion USD on CoinGecko, CoinGlass, all of the big names, and they have a simple vision. Take user asset security first as its core. Let your assets be protected by the world. Class standard, every transaction helps you drive cryptocurrency. And the reviews don't lie. So guys, if you want to take part in this amazing exchange, if you want to be part of the bonus, then go ahead and click the link down below. We can also see here, just to give you a thing, you get 20% bonus right here. This is your link, so you can get started on one of the best exchanges, as well as getting some awesome bonuses. Remember, the more you put in, the more you get, starting at 100, 20 USDT, 500 to 100, 1,000 to 2,000, 2,000 to 400 USDT. Don't have to worry about the KYC, but you only have 26 days. So let's go. And to top it off, Trading 365 is even talking about it. They put a shout out, so we are crushing it. People are excited to sign up. 20% deposit, a bonus up to 400 USDT with Bitunix, and it's right here. So it has everything you need. We went all over this, but the nice thing is this is exactly what you're looking for if you're tired of this KYC stuff. And who isn't? If you are, let me know in the comments and check out that link. Plus, they have also that awesome bonus, so it's a win-win. Now, it has what Bitunix is all about, which we talked about. Some of the awesome key features. KYC is optional. Optional, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. No KYC required. Big levered, low fees. Copy trading is available. If you say, hey, I don't want to learn trading, I'll just copy. Go ahead. And users have a great experience, as I showed you. Very simple to use. Plus, they take their security very seriously. You get cold storage for user funds, so you know it's safe, because, guys, not your crypto, not your keys, or not your keys, not your crypto. I'm sure you've heard that. What does it mean? If you don't have cold storage, if you don't actually have the device, the Trezor, or it on a phone or something, it is not your crypto. Don't just leave it on an exchange. You get two-factor authentication, multi-sig, and DDoS protection. Now, is it legit? I would absolutely say it's operating within a global and growing user base, and who should be using it? Leverage traders, privacy-conscious users, and even mobile-first users. So it's powerful. No KYC, derivatives exchange. Let's go. Been on Trading 365. I hope you're excited. So guys, check out the link below. Go check out Meme Asylum's voting. Vote if you're excited and be part of the Telegram, the Discord. I hope you're pumped up for 2026 because even though the market's been up and down, some amazing things are going to happen. You can count on it. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and catch you in the next one.